Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will cover Hlookup. How does Hlookup works? Hlookup means horizontal lookup. Only difference between VLOOKUP and Hlookup, that is VLOOKUP means vertical lookup and Hlookup means horizontal lookup. So for example, this is your invoice. So your invoice contents is that serial, product name, unit price, quantity and amount. So what can we do? We want to select the product name from our drop down list. So just click your drop down list and you can see the some product list like pen, book, noodles, soap, shampoo. So you can select any product from this list. So I select book. So now I want to unit price from this table. It is not possible to memorize every product name and price. So maybe you have a product list. So what can we do? We want to unit price from this table. How is lookup help us? Just select the cell, that means this unit price, and just press the equal from your keyboard. Just write Hlookup. Okay, you can see the suggestion here. Just double click and then lookup value. So lookup value means which value you want to search for. So we want to search this cell reference value. So we have to select this cell reference. That means this cell reference is G, column G and row 7. So just write by using your keyboard G7, then comma, follow this suggestion. Then second one is table array. Which is your table? So this is your table. Just select the table range. And for the cell locking, you can just select the cell range, table cell range, and just press F4 from your keyboard so that all cells are locked. And then comma, row index number. That means which value you want to search for this cell reference. So I want to search this price, unit price. So this table array contains 3 row and unit price row number is 3. So row index number, that obviously 3, and then comma. Now two option is here. True, that means approximate match, and false means exact match. So of course we want to exact match for this cell reference value. So just select the false, double click here and close the first parenthesis and just press the enter from your keyboard. So now see, get the price from this table. Okay, check. Product name is book, book price is 100. Okay, now select the second product, that can be pen, and then noodles. Okay, it can be shampoo or soap. So now just for copying the equation, that means this Hlookup equation, just select the cell and just drop down. So while price is automatically comes. Just change the product for checking is it right or wrong. Okay, now you can see that book price is 100. Just for completing this invoice, you can put the quantity as you like. For example, 2, and pen maybe 5, and again book it can be 3, shampoo maybe 1, and soap for 6. So what will be the amount? Just multiply the unit price and quantity, right? So this cell reference and this cell reference will be multiplied. Just press the equal and this cell reference A7 and multiply. You can put from your keyboard and this cell reference. Just press the enter, select the cell and just drop down. What will be the total amount? The addition of the whole amount. Just press equal from your keyboard and write the equation, that is sum. And the cell range is here, and just close the first parenthesis, just press equal. So if you want to see the VLOOKUP tutorial, you can see my previous tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.